For years, buying a foldable phone meant making a painful compromise. You either got a giant screen or a class-leading camera, never both. But Vivo is about to break that cycle. This is the brand new Vivo X Fold6, and it's being hailed as the world's first true foldable mini DSLR. We're talking about a custom 3nm chipset, a mind-blowing 200-megapixel camera, and a battery that defies physics. Let's get into it. First, let's talk aesthetics. The X Fold6 sports a stunning new blue hole colorway with rounded corners and a premium flat 2.5D metal frame. But the real magic starts when you open it. Both the 6.5-inch cover screen and the massive 8.2-inch inner display use Samsung's absolute latest M14 luminescent material. This lets them scale from an ultra-dim, eye-friendly 1 nit for late-night reading all the way to a blinding 5,000 nits of peak brightness. It's easily the most beautiful canvas on any foldable to date. Under the hood, Vivo is bypassing the usual silicon. They've co-developed a custom 3nm MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Super Edition chip, specifically optimized for foldables. We're looking at a massive 111% boost in NPU performance for AI tasks, running on Origin OS 6 Fold. The new Atomic Workbench makes heavy multitasking feel completely second nature, and keeping it all alive is a colossal 6,900 mAh battery, setting a massive new standard for foldable endurance. Now, for the crown jewel, the cameras. Vivo has essentially crammed the hardware of their ultra flagships into this folding chassis. The main sensor is a massive 200-megapixel beast co-developed with Samsung. It's paired with Vivo's proprietary Blueprint V3 Plus imaging chip, but they didn't stop there. You also get a 50-megapixel Sony LI602 periscope telephoto lens. This is the first ever foldable camera to meet strict Zeiss APO chromatic aberration control standards. Plus, with support for the Zeiss G2 teleconverter, you can stretch your zoom to a crisp 200mm equivalent. It is literally a concert-goer's dream setup. The Vivo X Fold6 launches officially in China on June 26th. If you want a device that refuses to compromise on display, performance, battery, or camera, this might just be the foldable of the year. What do you think? Is 200 megapixels enough to make you switch to a foldable? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.